Hello, hello. So I just got done with 3 classes. First day of school is going amazing. How's y'all first day going?
That was up.
Yeah. Dress for success on a little casual note. I go that. Walking to our next class, right guys? Right? I'm in a really good mood today. First day of school has been good. It's really hot. Shamar needs to come on because he's taking too long. Y'all finna see him in his Publix fit and I'm finna joan him. My classes have been pretty good so far. I think I have really good classes and teachers. I think 2 of them I'm not sure about. One of them, it seems like it's gonna be boring. Another one seems like it's gonna be interesting, but at the same time, I feel like it's gonna be a lot. Cause she already told us that we're gonna have a 5-page essay. Like, what?
Hey, what's up? Y'all know what the fuck going on?
Why are you in the back seat, first of all?
Shit. Your next class?
6 o'clock.
Oh, you good, nigga? Hey, y'all. Oh, shit. I just got down. Turn the radio on. So I got down, nigga, first day of class, right? So I go to my damn first class. Goddamn. No teacher there. So I wait for like 30 minutes, yo. And I was just like, fuck it. Everybody else followed me. That was like, fuck it too. So we all just left. Goddamn, go back to the room and shit, you know. Goddamn. Chilling till my next class. So I goddamn go to my next class. This shit was math, goddamn. Could not understand nothing my professor was talking about. But I did take down all the notes and shit. Yeah, that shit was lit, bro. It was lit. That was being mad disrespectful to my folks. Like, yeah, man, like, yeah. And it was like 3:50. That's like, oh, the class and niggas was just getting up and walking out. Oh, look at this nigga. Fuck.
See me coming. So I think I'm about to be late to this class because I just went to the wrong building and everything. Like, I was looking for the room 134 and the class only went up, that building only went to like 104. I was like, what? I was so confused. But my day just keeps getting better and better. Other than that, yeah.
Fried chicken.
So,
no, it was different fried chicken.
Say hey to the vlog, guys.
Hey.
Ooh, it's Bugs. Say hey.
They said it was good. And
it's Bugs. It's Bugs. It's Bugs.
You said what with hot sauce?
The chicken came with hot sauce.
Oh.
The sun. Ooh, the sun. Yes. Get it. So we walking to the U-Bar.
Melting.
Yeah, melting to the U-Bar to get us some food. Oh, there they go right there. Oh, so I'm pointing at even her. Haircuts.
Why she said it like that? She talking about like
cut. Yes. Fresh cut. That's how y'all clean up. Check the fits. Okay.
I mean, just by clean up, just a little bit. Light. I woke up and threw this on.
You got it. So we're at the beach with it. Yes. Steph getting lit. Where he at? Hey, hey, hey. The sunset is so pretty. If y'all can see that, it's so pretty.
Get ready for the eclipse. Throw
Down. The fuck down.
Y'all hungry?
Yes.
BJ, say hey to the vlog.
Gang, 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 gang. You know what the fuck going on, man.
Yeah.
All the gang shit.
Yeah. All that.
Hey.
Got them over here caking. We got Erica the model, Steph the photographer. Come through. This
my side chick, my girlfriend. Yes, yes. I gotta hype her up. Yes. Angles. Yes. Yes. Yes.
okay, we in this pit.
It's Evelyn Amelia, the one and only. You already know what's going on.
What's going on, Angle?
Damn. Oh. Oh. We got them. We got it. What to do, my name is Stefan. I went to cruise. Hey! Welcome me too for you. Oh! Hey! You back? Who are you? I'm Erica. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. And here we go right here. I'm AC, right? You know what the fuck going on. Ain't shit. This is Bilal Shabazz Hopkins.
It is so nice out here, guys. The sunset is so pretty. This is just such a romantic place.
I look greasy.
Look at her. Stressed, tired, ebony model. So, what are you doing on the beach today?
Metal.
Metal? Is it like treasure?
No, like coins, jewelry, stuff.
Okay, so do you do this often?
Yeah, I did.
And you find a lot of stuff?
It just depends.
What's the most valuable things have you found?
Yeah.
Well, necklaces.
Okay.
You sell them? Like you take them and sell them?
No, very rarely, but sometimes.
Okay. Anybody a shout out?
I don't know too many.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, we're at the mall. Steph's about to do an unboxing.
Birthday shopping. Let's see what this is.
Birthday coming up. What's in the bag?
Snapchat can't zoom.
I can.
You actually can. I don't know why his shit took it.
It's ugly and plain. It's only $2.
It's cute.
Ah, where's the silk one?
That's not my size.
Ooh, let me get it.
No, it's not. It is.
Ooh,
This.
I like it.
Not
It's
for a
nice.
birthday.
It's like got me glowing.
It is cute.
ATL with my new friends this weekend. This should be interesting.
Yes, ATL coming soon. Y'all watch out for that vlog because we're gonna be hyped
Spice
up.
Girls take ATL.
We the best music, the legacy continues. DJ Khaled.
I ain't talk gray, I don't keep it white and black. Only say I love you just so I can hear it back sometimes. Other times I love to have you back. Can't think of a minute back. No discussion to be had. We ain't going down like that, man.
Roll right up and they all hopped in.